back. Thank you so much for being here. So today we have our Facetory May 2019. I love the subscription. I say that every month. So I love it. First of all, let me say welcome. Thank you for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It does end on the 15th, so there is still time to enter. If you are new, welcome, and please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining our YouTube family. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment telling me about your day and what you thought of the video. So, for those of you that are not familiar with Facetory, it is a monthly sheet mask subscription, which is awesome because I love sheet masks. Love them, love them, love them. I'm getting tongue-tied. So one thing I love about them is the variety. I have like a good stockpile of sheet masks because I get this, but I also get sheet masks in other subscription boxes, and sometimes I just pick them up when I see one that, you know, intrigues me and I think, oh, that might be a good one. So, but this is the Forever Fresh. This, you receive 4 sheet masks every month. This one I go with because, like I said, between the other subscription boxes I get and then just picking up some sheet mask, this is enough because I usually use a sheet mask about every 2 to 3 days. So, this is more than sufficient for me. And this is only $8.90 a month, like out the door. That is what you pay. And it's amazing. I do have a link down below that I will put down for you. If you choose to use that and sign up, if you've never signed up for Facetory before, it actually can get you up to 10 free masks. So that is awesome. And like I said, for $8.90 a month, this, you just really cannot beat it. So let's pull it out. Oh, okay, so we have a Bright Sellers gift card to wine. I've never seen them put that in there. And then they have started doing this. I want to say this is like the 3rd month, and they have started including like a little cute postcard. This one says, "You are terrific." Super cute. And then on the back, so that is nice. All right, so this is the May Forever Fresh, and it says, "This month we're focusing on smoothing and toning skin. This box is filled with soothing sheet masks that will support your skin while prepping it for the perfect makeup look. Feel refreshed and look flawless while you go out for brunch and sip tea with friends." All right, so the very first mask is a Facetory mask, and it is the Smooth Me Tea Tree. In need of a little pick-me-up, our Smooth Me Tree Tea 2-step mask is infused with ingredients to help purify and restore troubled skin, perfect for helping treat blemishes and acne. Indulge in this calming sheet mask and let your stress fade away. And this has a retail value of $5. So this right here is more than half the cost of the box, and it's only mask number 1. So, and it's actually a 2-step. So they have the smoothing ampule and then the actual sheet mask. So, yay. And lotus flower extract and tea tree are the 2 main ingredients. So that is awesome. Oh my gosh, this next one, are you kidding me? Ooh, okay. This is by, I'm gonna butcher this. Apieu, A''Pieu. I have no idea. Chocolate milk. Look at that, you guys. How awesome. Perfect skin is easy to achieve with Apieu's, chocolate milk sheet mask. Designed to help provide your skin with the nutrients for smoother and brighter complexion, your skin will be left feeling renewed and happy. So it has cocoa extract, which is a gentle exfoliating ingredient that will help reveal a soft and even complexion. And then milk extract, a hydrating ingredient that will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. So it literally is like chocolate milk. That is awesome. That's going to be so fun to use. I can't wait. And that has a retail value of $2.50. And then we have, oh, I love mask. This is a cucumber mask. I love them. Refreshing and moisturizing cucumber essence face mask. This is from Look at Me. Give your skin a break from all the stress and pamper it with the Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask. Infused with skin calming ingredients, it will leave your skin looking so fresh and refined, you'll be surprised what this sheet mask can do. So it has cucumber fruit extract and mushroom extract, and the cucumber is widely known for its cooling and calming properties. This ingredient will help minimize irritations and inflammation while hydrating. And then the mushroom is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that will help heal and calm your skin concerns. And this is a $3 retail value. And that's one thing about Facetory that I really like. They don't overinflate the value or price of their mask. If anything, I honestly think sometimes the price really should be higher, because I know if you go like to Target or somewhere, sometimes masks are $3.99 or $4.99 a mask. So, you know, when they're saying $3, $2.50, sometimes I feel like it might actually be more if you were to buy it, you know, in store. So we have our final mask here, and this is it's a Lotus and Dandelion Moisturizing Mask. Interesting. And this is from Equiporte. I have no idea if I said that correctly. And it is a dual balancing moisturizing mask. Achieve a more even and smoother complexion while tackling dark spots and aging. Yes. Lotus flower extract and dandelion leaf extract will leave your skin feeling so fresh and rejuvenated, you'll definitely be back for more. So the lotus flower helps cleanse and purifies the skin while adding antioxidant protection and moisture. And then the dandelion leaf extract is a great ingredient to help smooth and detoxify the skin. Contains anti-aging properties to help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this is a $2.50 value. And then they do have some tips here at the bottom of the card. And it's do not leave mask on for over 30 minutes. Use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders. And then make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence of the mask. So those are all things that we kind of know if you're, familiar with using sheet mask. And then here in this cute little tea kettle, how to sheet mask. Step 1, cleanse and tone. Step 2, apply the mask for 10 to 25 minutes. And then step 3 is remove the mask and pat down the remaining essence. So I am super excited about all of these. I can tell you right now that this chocolate milk one is probably my favorite. I can't wait to try this and see if it smells like chocolate milk or just, I don't know. This one has me really intrigued. But I love the variety. We have hydrating, soothing. There's just such a great variety of sheet mask every month. So like I said, I will put a link down below. If you've not signed up before, that link again can get you up to 10 free masks, which is awesome. Let me know what you guys thought of this month. What do you guys think of this chocolate milk mask? Am I the only one that's like, what? All right, so I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.